What's up, Internet? It's Zach again, back here with Wrecker Central, giving you guys another shop update. So, we've got Lee's Towing here in the shop with us. What's going on, Lee? I know you're watching because Lee's subscribed. So one thing I wanted to bring up real quick, I can look at all the data and all the fun analytics from YouTube. How come you guys aren't subscribed? If you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, make sure you smash that, alright? Smash that subscribe button because we need more subscribers, alright? We don't pay for them like the other guys. We don't pay for views, pay for comments, pay for likes. We don't do any of that stuff. Alright, so subscribe to our videos. If you're watching us all the time, you might as well subscribe. Alright, I've said the word subscribe too much. So, let's go check in on Bob. I know Jeff is sick today. Our heart goes out to him. Hope he gets better. But let's go check in on Bob, see what he's got going on for Lee's Towing. Bobo, Bobo, Bobo. Hey, what do you got going on, buddy?
This frame reinforcement on this Big Chief.
Alright, so we've got Lee's truck here, the Lee's F350. We've got the bed off, we've got the bumper off, we've got all this stuff off. I see you guys have gotten the frame up in, welded on here with the new CMBs. And now you're reinforcing the frame. I know it's not required for it to be reinforced, but with the Big Chief, we always recommend it. So after we talked to Lee, he was like, yeah, go ahead and get it done. So I see you've got all from basically there all the way up and around here, one big piece of steel, and all the way back around that way.
From the cab there, all the way back.
All the way back. So, and I know there's another piece that's going to go on right there, and the other side is still getting done. So you've been busy today, man. You've just been working hard.
Get her done.
And Jeff's not here, so you're kind of on your own. Does that make you sad?
Huh?
Does that make you sad?
Yep. Tell him, get back here.
Right on. For those of you that don't know, we are filming the entire process of building Lee's truck out. So that's going to premiere on YouTube. Alright, so if you don't follow our YouTube channel, go ahead right now, take this time, click subscribe, turn the notifications on. Lee's supposed to be picking it up this week, which means the following week we're going to have our big premiere. So it's going to go, there's going to be a countdown timer. It's going to count down to 0. When it hits 0, the video is going to start. We're all going to be on there. All of us staff are going to be on there. And we can comment with each other if you've never seen a YouTube video premiere before. So we can comment. We'll all be talking to each other. So I'm probably going to make a Facebook event for it after this video gets uploaded. So be there. Watch with us. You guys get to be the first people to see us from start to finish do an install on Lee's truck. So this is going to be really cool. It's something we've never done before. It's going to probably be our longest video we've ever put out, and I'm really excited for it. I learned a ton of new stuff when it comes to editing and all that cool things. So yeah, we're excited to do this with you. So go ahead, hit subscribe, turn the notifications on right now. All right. Okay, it should be done by now. Good. All right. So we're going to check in. That's all we got for you guys today. We're going to check in with you guys probably later on this week. See ya.